Hey everyone, it's Anita Foster. I'm the Public Information Officer here with the American Red Cross in North Texas. Wanted to give you just a quick operational update on what the Red Cross has been doing for the past week and kind of what our plans are moving ahead. Before I jump into the update, I just want to say a very sincere thank you to North Texas. Those of us that work for the Red Cross, we know that you're supporting us, you're volunteering, you're sending money, companies are setting up fundraisers, and it's all so appreciated because we do have a very devastating disaster on our hands. So let me give you a little bit of information about what we've done so far, and then we'll talk about moving ahead. To date, we've actually operated 6 Red Cross shelters in 4 counties. We've been in Ellis, Collin, Dallas, and Rockwall counties. At peak, we actually had 267 people registered in our shelters. This morning, we're down to 1 shelter remaining. It's in Garland with about 30 people in that shelter last night. We have been helping people with cleanup items, distributing things like shovels, rakes, tarps, work gloves, trash bags, all of those items that people need to start sifting through debris so that they can start recovery. About 10,000 of those items have been distributed so far, and the same with meals, snacks, bottled water. About 10,000 of those items have gone out so far. The storm was so devastating that it drove nearly 300 people to use Red Cross's Safe and Well linking system. That's where you go when a disaster occurs and you're not able to locate loved ones. We were still having folks using that system last night. So if you know someone who still hasn't made contact with a loved one, just send them to redcross.org. Right now, we have about 300 Red Cross relief workers fanned out across all of the impacted communities. And even though we're 1 week in, our work is really just beginning. In the days ahead, we have a number of objectives, including making sure that people have casework services. That's critical. If you know someone who's been affected, or if you have been affected and have not met with a Red Cross caseworker, call 1-800-RED-CROSS to make sure you meet with those teams. They're there to help you not just with what Red Cross can provide, but with what other organizations can provide as well. So it's a great resource for anyone impacted. Additionally, our nurses and mental health counselors are out in force, making sure that people have someone to talk to, that if injuries occur while clearing debris, that a nurse is there. Sadly, today, the first round of funerals will begin for those that were lost in the storms, and our mental health teams will be continuing to have conversations with those families that are grieving. Again, that's our operational update for today. We are 7 days in with a long way to go. So thank you from all of us at the American Red Cross for stepping up and for helping us be able to help people right here in our own community who really need us right now. For information on anything, to volunteer, to give money, go to redcross.org, or you can just call 1-800-RED-CROSS. Thanks.